Yeah, so welcome back. So, as an ambassador, there are two major things you can actually do with Happy 54. The first one is bringing businesses on board. When you bring businesses on board, there are certain amounts you earn per package. There are several packages that is on Happy 54. So, once a business owner is picking a certain package, you know that this package you are earning certain amount from. So this is how your dashboard looks like, and this dashboard is for test purpose. You can see the one person, the owner of this dashboard, has a $9 on one business. So just one business, and you can actually withdraw your money once you have $30. So uh, this is minimum withdrawal amount. You can see it here. So this is when you are using laptop. So the view, this is how it looks like. Even if you use your phone, it's just going to recompress this particular page to fit into a phone size. So that's just the difference. So now that is number one thing I said you can do. Number two things you can do is that you can actually promote businesses on your social media accounts. As an ambassador, you can act as influencers. Maybe you have large followers. You can actually promote businesses that want to promote. They actually promote businesses that want you. You can actually link up with businesses that want you to help them promote their business on your own page, and you will charge for it. For example, so let me explain how this dashboard works. This is order. This is when business place order for your service. Like, okay, I want you to help me promote my business on your page on Facebook or Instagram. So you see the order here. This is financial. Under this financial, you see what you are earning. Just like this particular person, you can see that the person has earned $9. So it is reflecting. So this create project, this is where you create the type of project you want to create. Maybe it is content creation. That means you want to create content for that particular business owner. No, now let me explain certain things. This, you are going to list this thing by default. Immediately you sign up, you can actually create this. But if you are not the type that does this type of stuff, you might actually skip it and focus on bringing businesses on board because that is your major assignment. Now, this is just like another section or another area where you can actually make money. So you can actually say, okay, I create content, social media marketing, influencer campaign, product review, brand promotion, order. So let's pick content creation as an example. So what are you offering to clients? You can say, okay, I'll promote your business on my page. Okay, you have to type in that particular text. So then you choose platform. I mean, the platform where you're going to promote this particular business. Maybe it is YouTube only, or both YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or probably all the platform, or just one of these platforms. So let's pick Facebook now. So number of activities. How many time are you going to run that promotion on your page? Is this once every week? Is it twice every week? It is daily? It is it once monthly? Custom. If you pick custom, custom means you can specify. It's like, okay, oh, it's just once. So you just put once there. So that's if you pick custom. So that is that about that. Then form of content. Is it video content you are going to do for that person where you talk about their business, or text that is the write up? You are just going to post their write up, or audio you are going to the voice notes and post it, or banner that you are going to post a banner. So how much are you charging for it? This is the gig amount in USD. Put the amount you are charging. Now, the content retention program. Is this content you are creating, is it going to stay on your page forever? If it is yes, you pick this. Is it going to be deleted? That is, are you going to delete it off your page in 1 month, 1 week, or maybe deleted? So you pick whatever applies. Then who submit content? I will make full content. Are you the one that will make full content? If you are not the one that, if you don't know how to make content, you can say the business owner should actually submit the content for you. So they will be the one to submit the content, or either way. So choose. Then you can write this description of how you work here. Then you click save. Immediately you click save, it is going to be shown to business owners in their dashboard. So in their dashboard, they as a business owner, they will see the country. So because for example, if I'm in Ghana and my business is in Ghana, I might not have business with somebody in South Africa to help me promote my business. My business is only in Ghana, so I must choose ambassador that is working as an influencer that is in Ghana. So they will pick the country, then they will see all the influencers or ambassadors. So I might be using the word interchangeably, like influencer ambassador. So they are the same thing, but it is known as ambassador here. So uh, so the business owner will pick wherever the country, then they will be able to see, they will see your amount, they will see then they can order for your gig. When they order for your gig, they will make payments, you will be alerted. So then you can actually live chat with them so that they can send you the details that you need. So the details that you need, you can actually input it in the description here and click save. And if you actually see the body of the content here, you will see that you have actually specified all the conditions. So that is that about how to create a project. So if you are not the type that does stuff like this, you can actually skip it so and focus on inviting businesses to the platform and keep earning. So I believe you have seen what you earn per package. So now the next button is all projects. So this all project means all the projects you have created here, because you can create multiple projects here with different amounts and different conditions. So you see all of them here. That is the meaning of all projects. Then when you come to settings, I think this setting is very important because the settings, you will need to put your profile picture, which is very important. Uh, Click this choose profile picture and choose file and upload your profile picture so that the business owner can actually see your face, that this is the person they are working with. Uh, Ambassadors with profile picture actually attract more businesses than the one without. So that is that. Then you can complete few details that are needed to be completed. Enter your bank details where your money will be remitted into your social media page, because they want to see number of followers you have. So we actually put only three links here. So that is that. Put those links here and click update. Then the affiliate, this is where you get the code. If you are referring business to this platform, so this is where you get the code. You can copy the code. So when business owner, when they are registering, they'll be able to see, uh, or you can actually post the referral link. So if you are posting the referral link, you don't need to put code again, because if you look at this code, you can see that it is already in the referral link. Look at it here, this L7. So your home will actually be different from this. This is for this particular person. So just copy it by clicking copy, then you can post it and say one or two things about the platform. So there are also flyers on the previous page that you can actually check. So that is that about that. Then support. If you want to contact Afro54 for help, then this is where you can sign out. Now let me pick this. Then I want to show you how this works. So I'm signing out of this account. So I'm posting this. This is a particular page where business owner join Afri54. So let's assume that I am a Facebook user and I saw your link on Facebook and I click on it. So it's going to take me to this place as a business owner and I want to join. So after I complete everything here, you can see your referral code. The system automatically inputs your referral code. So the person can actually proceed to sign up. So immediately this business owner sign up and make payment for a particular package, you earn according to the commission that has been stated on the website. That is everything you need to know. Thank you, and God bless you.